Hi guys, welcome back to the Core Java tutorial part 2. Here Prabish with you. In the previous part of this tutorial, I demonstrate how to download JDK and how to install JDK in your computer. It is necessary to set up JDK setup environment variable in your computer for invoking the Java compiler. In this part, I am going to explain how to set up the Java environment variable in your computer. For setting up Java environment variable, just go to the Windows directory, go to the program files. In program files, you can see a folder called Java is present there. Open up that folder. Again, you can see two folders are present, JDK and JRE. JDK is the folder containing the Java compiler. JRE is the Java runtime environment, or it is the folder containing all the files for the JVM. Just open up JDK. Again, JDK containing a folder called bin folder is present there. Open up that folder. You can see a lot of DLL files are present in the bin folder. These are the files necessary for the Java compiler. Guys, you can see here a path called my computer JD local disk C program files Java JDK bin. This is the path of the Java compiler. I just copy this path. Now I just go to the properties of my computer. In the system property, you can see a option called advanced system settings are present here. Just go to it. Here another window is appear. You can see a variable setting up here. An environment variable button is present here. Just click that. Again, an environment variable setup window is appear. In that option, you can see a button called edit button is present there. Just click that button. Again, another window is appear. Guys, I am already setting up my Java path in my computer. If you are first setting up, just type path and paste that and paste the address we are already copied here and click OK. Okay, after doing all these steps, you are successfully set up Java environment variable in your computer. For checking whether it is success or not, just go to the run option and type cmd. Now you can see the command prompt window is appear here. Just type a command javac. Javac is the command for invoking the Java compiler. Guys, you can see a lot of folder options are present here. A lot of folders and subdirectories are showing here. These are the folders and directories of my Java compiler. That means my Java compiler is now ready to compile a Java program. If it has an error, then when you type javac, the system will show that javac is not recognized an internal command, or it is not recognized as valid command. If such a situation is occur, you can again go to that path variable and setting up it again. Okay guys, after doing this step, you are successfully set up the Java path, Java environment variable path in your computer. There is another way also present for setting up the Java variable path. If you are planning to compile a Java program in your D drive, guys, this is an alternative way for setting up the Java path. Just type path and set the path here in these double quotes. Okay, now you are successfully setting up the Java compiler path in your D drive. For checking it, just type javac. Again, you can see all the directories of Java compiler are present at the D drive. That means it is possible to compile a program in D drive successfully with your Java compiler. This is an alternative way to set up the Java path. Guys, this is the second method is the most proper method for setting up Java variable setup, because if you are going for the first path, that is not a good programming practice, that will affect other system variables also. So go for this second. I recommended the second method for setting up the Java path. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you know further about all these things, I am starting a blog. I am already started a blog called Easy Way to Go to blogspot.com. If you want to know more about all these things, just go to this blog. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next part of this tutorial.